Welcome everyone. Today we're going to dive into one of the most essential topics for anyone working in artificial intelligence and machine learning. We're going to explore linear algebra for machine learning part 1 foundations. Now, you might be wondering why linear algebra? Why is this so important for AI? And that's exactly what we're going to discover together. In this presentation, we'll cover everything from the simplest building blocks, scalars, all the way up to advanced concepts like rank and matrix decompositions. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of the mathematical foundations that power every AI system you interact with daily, from ChatGPT to self driving cars, from recommendation systems to voice assistants. This is part 1 of our series, and we're going to focus on the foundations. We'll cover 11 essential topics, and I promise you, by the time we finish, you'll see linear algebra not as abstract math, but as the language that brings AI to life. Let's start with the big question. Why does linear algebra matter for AI? Think about it this way. Every AI system you interact with, whether it's ChatGPT generating text, a self-driving car navigating city streets, or a recommendation system suggesting your next movie, they all rely on one fundamental idea, representing information as numbers and transforming those numbers to find patterns. Here's what makes linear algebra so powerful. First, data as numbers. Everything in AI starts with data. Images, text, audio, user behavior, all of it must be converted into numbers before any model can process it. Linear algebra gives us the tools to represent this data efficiently. Second, efficient computation. Matrix operations are highly parallelizable, which means they run incredibly fast on GPUs. This is why we can train massive neural networks with billions of parameters. Without linear algebra, deep learning as we know it wouldn't exist. Third, finding patterns. Linear algebra helps models discover relationships in data, compress information, and make predictions. It's the mathematical engine behind everything from linear regression to the most advanced transformers. And fourth, embeddings and representations. Words, users, and items all become vectors in high dimensional spaces. This is the foundation of large language models and recommendation systems. So, our goal today is not just to learn what these concepts are, but to understand why they matter for AI. Every concept we cover will be connected back to real machine learning applications,